So guys, today we are going to review Dell Xps Plus from Dell laptops, and the Dell laptops represent the fairly bold departure from the regular Dell XPS 13, and the look is definitely more clean and modern, and starting with a seamless glass touchpad. But there is no parting lines, so I'm not complaining. But since I found it easy to navigate the cursor and perform a various gesture. And the one thing buyers do need to consider is the ongoing issue XPS 13 Plus OLED is suffering. So a fault with the glue used during production means that display is falling off some models. So Dell is working to recall and repair effective units, but it may be worth holding off until the situation is resolved. On the positive side, the Dell Xps 13 Plus is a feast for the eyes. So when I watched the Grey Man on Netflix, I really appreciated the level of details in Chris Evans' ribbed yellow and brown polo shirt and his golden glasses. So, as you would expect from the OLED display, the blacks are perfectly blacks. The viewing angles are ultra wide. The image gets fairly bright too, so though as not beaming as the competition. So, and guys, one of the favorite things about the Dell Xps 13 Plus is the keyboard. At first it looks like the zero latex keyboard that goes edge to edge with no spacing between the keys, and would result in a cramped typing experience. But I and the glass touchpad on XPS 13 is generally responsive. So my only issue with the touchpad is that I sometimes accidentally selected a text while scrolling if my left or a brushed up against the pad. So when it comes to graphics, the Dell XPS 13 Plus can run games but not super well. But the biggest bummer with the XPS 13 Plus, the battery life, at least for the OLED model, this laptop lasted only 7 hours and 34 minutes. That's pretty poor. So to be fair, you should expect a much longer endurance.